Many people who watch my videos, especially if they are new, think I have an entire film crew behind me making my videos. Most are shocked to learn I do everything by myself. I am a one-woman show. I will share a little behind-the-scenes secrets, but please folks, do not try this yourself. It's not safe what I do.
The girls over there in the car just gave me a treat. That's so... Oh, it is an actual treat. That's so sweet. Aw. There we go. Alright, so I've come up with the most amazing jugar. Actually, it was a suggestion of Xiaofei. I was trying to figure out, because the follow me function won't really work in the mountains here because it can't really see me because I'm passing through trees. So I actually have to manually control my remote, and I don't want it falling off. So actually I've taken it and a bungee cord and I just strap it to my tank bag here. Boom. Boom, like that. So people really don't have any idea what it's like to film yourself or like do the kind of content that I do, because I am doing it just by myself, and the amount of effort it takes to set up every shot. I'm just about to fly or drive my bike across the suspension bridge here and film it on my drone. Ah. A bit of extra on the sides. I'm measuring to see if I will fit in the suspension bridge. Oh, look at that. Woo! There we go. Alright, I can't believe I'm controlling the drone while flying across the suspension bridge. There we go. Take out the equipment, set it up, do drive-bys, put it away. Let me tell you, I don't get very far in a day, that's for sure. So yeah, this is what you don't see, the behind the scenes, folks. Children, don't do this at home, okay? This is for professionals.
I never do this when there are cars around. One, because it doesn't look good, but mostly because of safety. I also go really slow. I have a 360 awareness when I'm riding that allows me to multitask and be in complete control of my bike and surroundings. It's a huge effort to do this, but it's worth it.
A little bit of rain over here. Oh, it's so difficult to Oh, and I wasn't even recording! This time press record. Please, Rosie, please. Record. There we go. Now I can go. There's a car coming that way. I don't want him to ruin my drone shot. Okay, he's gone. Okay. Cars, we're good. And that's how you fly a drone and capture your own footage, folks. This is actually, it's the new Air 2S, and it is significantly easier to fly and control. The sensors aren't as sensitive, so there's less jerky movements, which really helps when you're flying and riding at the same time. Don't do that at home, kids, please. There you have it. That's how I do it. It's how I do it. Many people who watch my videos are like, oh, there's no way you capture that by yourself. You have a whole team. Well, no, I don't. I am the team. Me, myself, and I. small little town to pick up a little bit of snacks and food for dinner before I get to my campsite, which is just going to be a little pull off on the side of the road up here. Also I can gas up here. But I found a really nice thing. This corn looks so good. What? I'm all set. I got my dinner. I actually picked up another rice thing. They wrap it in banana leaf. And so I'm going to be having that for dinner as well. And yeah, I'm good to go. Hi! Oh, you're so pretty. Hi! There's a lot of dogs with brindle here, I noticed. Brindle is the stripe. Oh, the butt view. No, not that. Look at your pretty face. Hi. The really good thing about Taiwan is the fact that it's not that cold. Right now it is the end of September. I think it's October 1st tomorrow actually. And I'm in a thin t-shirt. And it is overcast. It has been sprinkling a little bit. And I'm not cold. So that's pretty awesome. A big bonus for riders. It can be a little warm and a little humid, but I think after a couple months it will get a lot better temperature in terms of the heat. So right now it's pretty easy riding, and it's a good it's a good balance, because as I'm heading into the mountains it is getting colder, so maybe in the winter it might be too cold up at these high points, but then you can always throw a jacket on. Looks like I'm going to get thick fog again tonight. I better hustle. I've got about an hour and a half till I get to my designated camp point. So hope I get there before dark. And like last night, ciao for now. Another misty ride. Oh, I'm just gonna put my jacket on. It's getting kind of a little bit chilly here. So I think I'm gonna take a little picture here. I'm just gonna set my tripod up. My new camera is so cool because I can do everything on Wi-Fi through my phone. So yeah, I don't have to bother with a remote. Oh, the fog's coming.
At this point, my camera was showing signs of a big problem. I had issues since day one, but because it was a brand new camera, I thought maybe I was using it wrong. It was only my second day using it, and already it was malfunctioning big time.
It's working. Oh, now the scene is gone. Yeah. Forget it.
Because I was on such a tight tour schedule and had to complete my trip in under 1 month, I had to pre-map out all of my camp locations.
Alright, once again, I'm going to my camp spot in the dark.
This was literally just a pull-off on the side of the road I had pinned on my map. But when I showed up, the area was already taken. There wasn't much options to stay elsewhere, and I wasn't sure if they'd let me stay. To my camp spot here that I had pinned on the map, and there was already some people here, and they're staying in these really cool delicas. The view here is just beautiful, and I think maybe once they pack up, I can sleep here. Ni hao. Hi. Some friends here. Hello.
Hello.
Is it okay I put my tent here after? It turns out they were staying there for the night, so I asked if it was okay if I pitched my tent nearby. They insisted that I slept under the covered area for protection and they would pack up, but I didn't want to intrude.
Of course.
It's okay?
Okay.
They were very nice and helpful.
Rosie.
What's your name?
秋雪，
It wasn't the most ideal camp spot, but it was okay for the night. Because of limited time, I had to plan strategically so I could finish my trip on time. I could have found a place along the way, but I didn't want to waste time looking. This had a nice view and some friendly neighbors to spend the evening with. They even let me use their power supply, which was great because my batteries were dead. They're letting me charge my batteries. They've got a whole setup in their van here, and I was really worried that I wasn't going to get to charge my batteries today because I'm almost out and I've got some good places to go tomorrow. So things should be good here.
Okay.
This trip was a huge lesson in letting go and just allowing life to flow, not having expectations, and just seeing what unfolds. It had been 4 years since my last big solo tour, and life was teaching me some valuable lessons through this journey. Although it was hard to see at the time, everything was moving so fast. I'd like to come back to Taiwan again someday, this time to do it at my own pace. But still, I was grateful for the wonderful places I saw and people I met. This was the end of day 2. Join me next week to see what comes next on my exciting solo tour.
太客气了啦。
Oh.
You are so kind.
Oh, you are so kind to let me stay here. Thank you.
大声笑，你真好，让我留在这里。
谢谢。
谢谢。
不会，怕你冷呐。
Oh, thank you.